Good afternoon. I think after a long day, everyone seems to be a little bit restless. So we need to cut it short so that we get a little bit of breathing space after this. When Satoshi Nakamoto, the ever mysterious, uh, the father of blockchain, wrote his seminal paper in 2009. It was a 9-page paper on cryptocurrency. Nobody thought the profound implication it will have on how information is exchanged, stored, and produced, not only for cryptocurrency, but the way we do business transactions and other transactions. Today, blockchain is discussed, or it is famous or ill-famous due to cryptocurrency. But to tell you the truth, from government to healthcare, from finance to media, from banking to insurance, everywhere, blockchain successful use case is there, and everywhere we are going to see how these sectors, all the sectors, are going to get profoundly changed due to intervention of blockchain technology. So 3 things that has really made blockchain popular, especially in the financial industry: the distributed ledger technology, giving the security feature; immutable records, giving the transparency; and smart contracts, giving the power for automated action by the code inside the program, which eliminates the need of intermediaries and fast track the process. So in the fintech industry, using blockchain, we see for cross-border transactions, now P2P money transfer is being done through using blockchain platform without the need of having any intermediaries. This is a decentralized model where we see many banks are using now this blockchain to ensure their customers can do transactions between themselves without the need of bank to oversee whether each party is fulfilling its obligation under the smart contract. The trading, global trade, and for local trade as well, we are seeing more use of blockchain, especially in the supply chain and logistics side. Blockchain is being used, and banking and P2P payments. So with using of blockchain, things are getting more efficient, and the kind of reconciliation and the authentication are getting easier every day using blockchain. So the blockchain-based fintech industry is still not very big. It's around $3.1 billion currently, but it is growing rapidly. By next 5 years, it is going to be around 7 times bigger, around 21.6 billion estimated market size by 2028. So there was a survey conducted recently amongst the top-tier financial service leaders. So they were all very upbeat about using blockchain in their financial industry, in their respective companies. So 47% respondent response was improved data management is the key benefit they feel that they will lead to use of blockchain. 46% greater transparency and 40% improved risk management. So with blockchain, the way we now spend billions of dollars for preventing this hacking, that can be reduced significantly when we have any transaction on blockchain platform. Key challenge that we still have using blockchain. One is lack of collaboration. So still, different industries do not want to share their platforms. So finance need to collaborate with supply chain of different companies or logistics to make sure we have a seamless financing. So sometimes it's difficult. Still, the many blockchain platform that has been developed, these doesn't talk to each other. The interoperability feature remains a problem, but there are some initial attempt now how the different platforms offered by global giants can talk to each other. And also especially for public ledger, the intensive computing power that is required sometimes inhibits the use of blockchain-based application by users not having that kind of access to powerful computing. So there are three very interesting recent use of blockchain technology in the financial sector. One is Onyx by JP Morgan that is used for intraday repo transactions. So when it is intraday, high frequency transactions, limit monitoring becomes very difficult. So with blockchain, without requirement to having a reconciliation between the customer or the third party, you can generate more transactions within the day, and that's seamless and without any dispute. Bajaj FinServ has gone into next generation digital marketplace using blockchain, reducing dispute as well as improving customer service. Alipay is using blockchain technology for their product traceability as well as supply chain finance. Here in Bangladesh, IPDC has built first ever blockchain-based supply chain finance platform based on blockchain technology, and it's not only financing platform, it really take care of the end-to-end supply chain management system. So from the start of the process, work order issuance to delivery challan, bill submission, and financing all are integrated on the platform. So currently, IPDC have around 51% market share of domestic supply chain financing. But if you see the market potential and actual market size realized by the financial sector at this moment, according to a study of IFC a couple of years back, we are only catering to 2% of the market potential. There are around 7.8 million CSMEs in the country. Only 9% of them have access to finance from formal sector, banks and non-banking financial institutions. 56% of them do not have even a bank account. So by 2028, in next 5 years, IPDC is catering, IPDC had set a goal to cater 1 million of such CMSMEs for small financing. We know we will not be able to do it alone, so what we will going to do is to make this platform open for all other banks and financial institutions to use. So then basically the market awareness will be better, and also we'll have better collaboration from the industry to share their data online with the financial sector. So another project we are working on to bring in the small micro merchants, the retailers, on our platform. Already around 91,000 retailers have been onboarded with the help of British American Tobacco and Unilever. Marico and Nestle are also in the process. Going forward, our local conglomerates will be also joining on the platform. So there will be also end-to-end downstream the supply chain financing ability, and also not only the financing, the entire process can be digitized, including their collection through this digital blockchain platform. Most importantly, now within half an hour of our request, our borrowers are getting disbursement against their limits for their supplies to different companies, which is completely collateral free. Of course, this is fast and this is very easy for them to use. So in case we can successfully bring in other market players like the pharmaceutical industries, the agro input industries, the healthcare industries, by next 5 years, we are eyeing at around 2.5 million, which is around 33%, one-third of the small businesses on IPDC platform getting collateral-free financing. So I think that can be a very transformational change in the financial landscape of this country. Let's all collaborate. As our teacher, my own teacher, Rahi sir, was telling, collaboration will be essential in the fintech industry. So blockchain is essentially that really gives you the power to collaborate between each other without the need of intermediary or a central controller in the process. So we are looking forward to that. Thank you.